Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful versatile stitch that can make the little comfort blankets that you see or the blankets that you see. You can make it in any type of wool that you want to, and the comfort blankets that you see there was made in a flutterby wool, which is a chunky and have about 35 stitches across. The big chunky blanket is about 60 stitches across, and that's a super chunky wool. The other blanket that you see there was done in a lightweight double knit wool that had about 90 stitches in it. Now, the best way to decide how big you want your blanket is to get your size and make enough chain to get you to the size that you want. So use your measuring tape and know what size you want to begin with. Make sure you get your width and then just do the appropriate number of rows to make the length that you want. So what we'll do today is we will use this lightweight double knit wool, a 4mm hook, darning needle, and a little pair of scissors. Let's move those out of the way. So we start with our chain stitch, and this makes the basis of our work. So wool over, crossing it at the front, and hook through, wool over and pull back through to make your slip stitch for your chain. I'm going to do a little swatch of 20 just to show you what to do, and we'll start with our chain stitch. So wool around and pull through your loop is 1, wool round, pull through your loop 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So your chain stitch represent the length of the project that you want. So if you wanted it to be 20 centimeters, your chain would have to be 20 centimeters long. It's entirely up to you how big and wide you want your blanket to be. So the chain stitch represents the width and the rows represent the length. And again, it's entirely up to you how long you want your blanket or your comfort blanket to be, your piece of work. It's entirely up to you. Just remember that when you've measured your chain, always to do one extra chain stitch to get the desired length, because we're going to miss out that first chain there and work into the second. For your first row, you always work with UK double crochet, US single crochet the whole way along. So we will do the first one into the second chain from the hook, hook through, wool over, pull it through, and 2 loops, wool over, pull through both, into the next chain, wool over, pull through, 2 loops, wool over and pull through both, into the next exactly the same. So we have 2, wool over and pull through, into the next exactly the same and pull through, and you continue on doing the same the whole way along the rest of this chain, and I'll meet you here at the end. So I have 1 chain stitch left to do, less to work into, and we will just do our last stitch. Now the next row is going to be all UK trebles, US doubles, so we will do 2 chain here, 1, 2, and turn our work. You can see that's just our first row of UK double crochet, US single, and we're going to do the UK treble, US double the whole way along this. So that's simply wool over, in through that first stitch right here at the bottom of our treble, of our chain stitch. So hook through, wool back, and 3 loops on our hook, wool over, pull through 2, wool over, pull through 2, and again into the next one. We have 3 loops on our hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, wool over, in through the next one, wool over, and pull back through. 3 loops on our hook, wool over, pull through 2, wool over, and pull through 2. And you do that the whole way along again till you reach the end, and I'll meet you back there. So we're here at our last stitch, and it's making sure you do that final stitch. So wool over, in through that final stitch right there, wool over and pull back through, wool over, pull through 2, wool over and pull through 2, and we have finished our second row. Now it's remembering as well that however many stitches we start it with will be what we should have the whole way along. So it's such a simple pattern to do. You simply do 1 row of UK double crochet, US single crochet, and then a row of UK treble crochet, US double crochet. When we come to the end of the UK treble, US double, we do a single chain stitch and turn, ready for our single crochet. So we will do another row. So hook through, wool over and pull back through, 2 loops on our hook, wool over and pull back through. So we're doing UK double crochets, US single crochets the whole way along on this row again until we come back to the start. And it is just a case of alternating these rows. So you start with a UK double, US single row, and I always, for uniformity's sake, finish with the same. So my last row will always be a UK double, US single row, and you alternate between that row and a UK treble and US double row, so that you're just doing 1 row of one and then a row of the other. I will put that up here on a card for yourself so you can see that. And when you finish the row of UK doubles, US singles, like I'm just about to do there, so you then do 2 chain, ready to start your UK trebles, US doubles, and we are off again. And this builds up beautifully and looks very, very effective. And that is just how you continue to build the whole of your work. And it's totally reversible, looks lovely, comes out really well. We'll do 1 more row, and then, as I say, I will put up on a little card on the screen how you do it. So that should you want to, you can just copy that out and write that down for yourselves, because it's always handy to have. And as I say, it is so effective, so easy to do, but looks so nice when completed. One of those blankets that I have there, I used wool that changed colour. So you got the variety of colour within it, but still so easy to do because that was within the wool itself, and made my life beautifully easy. But the blanket is absolutely lovely. That particular blanket is more of a Moses basket stroller size, but obviously you can get the bigger ones as well to fit cots. And it just really depends on what you're looking for. You can make it as big or as small as you want to. Very, very versatile, very, very simple, and very, very effective. And literally, that's all there is to it. And it looks so beautiful, comes out really well. Just remember to count your stitches and make sure that you have the same number the whole way up. Simple as that. I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.